Let's discuss about the topic Sphenodon. It belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia, order Sphenodontia, family Sphenodontidae, genus Sphenodon. This is how it looks like. The tuatara, Sphenodon punctatus, is a species of reptile endemic to New Zealand. Despite its close resemblance to lizards, it is a part of a distinct lineage, the order Rhynchocephalia. The name tuatara is derived from the Maori language and it means peaks on the back. Sphenodon is evolutionarily the oldest of all non-living reptiles, so it is often considered to be a living fossil on the ground that it has survived far beyond its era absolutely unmodified. The expression is also justified by the fact that Sphenodon is almost identical to the Jurassic genus Homosaurus in organization. Moreover, its extreme southern distribution justifies the general rule that archaic living groups are found farthest in the south. Based on this rule, New Zealand is often described as the museum of archaic animals and plants. However, recent studies suggest that Sphenodon has several features which are more advanced than those of their nearest extinct relatives. So, the belief that Sphenodon remained evolutionarily unmodified over the past 100 to 200 million years appears unfounded. Habits and habitat. Sphenodon is a timid, lizard-like carnivorous animal living in burrows which may be shared socially by various kinds of petrels. Though Sphenodon is tolerant to these birds and their eggs, it will not allow another member of its own kind to live with it in the same burrow. It subsists on some invertebrates, small fishes, lizards, etc. The animal is generally nocturnal and it emerges out of the burrow particularly after sunset. Physical description. The tuataras may be grey, olive or brickish red in color. They range in adult length from about 40 cm to 60 cm, with the male generally reaching larger proportions. They lack external ears, have a diapsid skull, two openings on either side, and possesses a parietal eye on the top of their head. Other lizards also have this third eye which contains a retina and is functionally similar to a normal eye, though the function has not been clearly recognized and a scale grows over it in adult tuataras. The male tuatara displays a striking crest down the back of the neck and another down the middle of the back. The female has a less developed version of this. Unlike all over living-toothed reptiles, the tuatara's teeth are fused jawbone accordant tooth structure. The tuatara has a very slow metabolism and is very long-limbed species. It's uncommon for an individual to live for 100 years. Reproduction. It takes between 10 and 20 years for a tuatara to reach sexual maturity. The female on average lays between 5 and 18 eggs only once every 4 years, the longest reproductive cycle of any reptile. Mating occurs from midsummer to early autumn and eggs are laid the following spring or early summer. Incubation takes from 12 to 15 months, with the development of the embryo stopping during winter month. Thus, a hatching tuatara would have been conceived over 2 years earlier. The male is devoid of any external sex organs and a copulation is achieved by a meeting of a cloacal regions in what is known as cloacal kiss. Thank you.